Hello, everyone, and welcome to my BD Expert. My name is Vincent Fakiyesi. I'm an engineering education PhD student, and I will be talking on artificial intelligence in engineering education, bridging innovation and learning. My research goal overall of my research focus on understanding how artificial intelligence can be effectively integrated into engineering education. Specifically, I aim to explore user experiences both from students and faculty and identify the most effective applications of AI tools in teaching and learning environment. This includes investigating how tools like chatbot, intelligent tutoring systems, and adaptive learning platforms can enhance educational outcomes and improve the learning process. One of the key aspects of my work is understanding not only the technical effectiveness of these tools, but also how they are perceived and utilized by users in real-world settings, and especially in engineering domain. As we all know, most of engineering field, they are hands-on head learning. So I want to look at how artificial intelligence can be integrated into our engineering field. And my goal in the long term, my future vision is to push the boundaries by integrating artificial intelligence into virtual reality systems, creating immersive and adaptive learning environment tailored to the unique needs of engineering education. This approach could revolutionize how complex concepts in engineering classroom are taught, making them more accessible, engaging, and impactful. These are some of the brief history of artificial intelligence in education. From early 1950s to 1970s, this period marked the beginning of artificial intelligence, heavily influenced by Alan Turing's work. One of the key developments during this era was symbolic artificial intelligence and the emergence of expert systems, which laid the groundwork for future applications in education. In 1970s, there was a rise of intelligent tutoring systems. During this time, we saw the early introduction of intelligent tutoring systems, which is being used to tailor learning among students. And this is aimed to simulate personalized instructions, offering tailored guidance to learners based on their progress. And as we move to the 20th and 21st century, we have a big breakthrough in machine learning and adaptive system. Most importantly, 2 years ago, 2022 to be precise, we could see the emergence of the language model, especially the generative AI, and we all know ChatGPT and how it has impacted our learning environment in time being. So using these tools with advancement in machine learning, educational tools became more adaptive, using algorithm to provide dynamic responses to learners' needs, making education more flexible and learner-centered. And in recent years, as AI keep on evolving, we could see that AI has further transformed education with technologies for personalized learning, advanced analytics, where we can use learning analytics to predict student engagement in various learning management systems and see students who are at risk of failure in the classroom. These tools enable a deeper understanding of individual student needs and foster interactive, collaborative learning environment. What are the current applications of artificial intelligence in education? One of them is intelligent tutoring, which delivers personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs of students. You have adaptive platforms. These are used to adjust the difficulty of content in real time based on student performance to ensure effective learning. One of the most important applications of artificial intelligence is chatbot. One of the most frequent one is ChatGPT. We have a lot of them. We have Gen AI. We have ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4.0. We have Gen AI, like I've said. We have a lot of them out there, a lot of chatbots, a lot of AI tools out there that are used to provide various learning aid to students. The chatbot provide instant feedbacks like the way we use in Chat 3.5 and answer to frequently asked questions, streamlining communication. We also look at the new approaches that is coming up now in how we can create immersive environment for simulations, particularly useful in engineering and hands-on learning scenario. This integration of VR and AR into artificial intelligence has been successful in gaming world. So we are trying to also bring that into engineering education and education as a whole. We also have data analytic where we track student performance and predicting students who are at risk of failure or total dropout from the school. This is another very wonderful field in application of artificial intelligence. We have administrative use where AI can be used to optimize tasks so that admission, used for grading, and providing student support to enhance institutional efficiency. Foundational work in artificial intelligence. These are some of the foundational paper. These are the 5 papers that I use in this study. I pick them based on the number of citations they have. We could see paper 1, Artificial Intelligence in Education Review, has over 2,000 citations. And here we have the key findings where AI automate administrative tasks, improving efficiency, and allow education to focus on teaching. We have the second one, evolution and revolution in artificial intelligence, which has over 915 citation. This talk about how AI is being used in learning and instruction, and how there are lack of empirical studies in the use of artificial intelligence in engineering education. We also have Intelligent Tutoring System by John R. Anderson, which was developed to mimic human tutoring by providing personalized feedback to learning path and to students. All these foundational studies who are in one way or the other talk about how artificial intelligence has been used in education. The last one, which is user experience, implication and adoption, where we talk about how artificial intelligence is being adopted. What are the experiences of students? What are the experiences of faculty? How did they use it? How did they feel comfortable about it? What are the ethical concerns of artificial intelligence? What are the government policy? What are the things government have put in place to regulate the use of artificial intelligence? The theoretical framework in this my study, the theoretical framework guiding artificial intelligence in engineering education, incorporating essential learning theories and human-computer interaction principles. One of them is constructivism. The core idea is learning is an active, constructive process where learners build knowledge through experience and reflection. One of the major key application of constructivism in artificial intelligence is intelligent tutoring systems, where these systems adapt to individual student learning needs, providing tailored guidance and feedback. For instance, artificial tutoring system can simulate engineering problems, prompting students to apply theoretical concepts actively. And by doing this, students are able to construct their own knowledge by themselves. Another example of constructivism is the chatbot and virtual assistants. By engaging in dialogue with students, chatbot can encourage inquiry-based learning, guiding students as they explore concepts. So all this allows students to construct their own learning and take autonomy of their own learning by themselves. Another theory is cognitive load theory, and the core idea here is learning is most effective when cognitive resources are focused on essential tasks, avoiding overload. Here, where AI platform can simplify complex engineering calculations by automating repetitive tasks, enabling students to focus on problem-solving strategy. And by doing this, it avoids cognitive load among students. We have content. Also, another one in cognitive load theory is content personalization. AI reduces extraneous cognitive load by presenting content that matches the learner's current level of understanding. For example, AI can simplify or elaborate on technical explanation based on student proficiency. The third theory here is social learning theory, and where the core idea is learning occur through observation and or interaction with peers. Artificial intelligence application in engineering education one, where a collaborative platform. Artificial intelligence tools can facilitate group work by pairing students with complementary skills or creating virtual spaces where learners solve engineering problems collaboratively. And another one under social learning theory is peer learning. AI can power discussion board or chat platform, can suggest topics or resources that can enhance group interaction. And the fourth one now the list, which is the human-computer interaction, where effective learning environment require user-friendly and accessible interfaces that meet student need and integrate seamlessly into educational system. This focus only on user-centered design in AI tools, where the interfaces of our intelligent tutoring system, adaptive system, and generative AI and virtual labs are being designed with student usability in mind, ensuring they are intuitive and engaging. For instance, drag and drop interfaces for process design simulation. So AI systems can incorporate features also such as voice to text, multi-language support, and modular design, ensuring inclusivity for diverse learning. With this seamless integration with large language models, artificial intelligence power system can synchronize with existing learning management system to provide a central platform for course material, helping in progress tracking and assessment. All these theory are foundational theory that we can build upon on various researches on artificial intelligence. And what are the research gap that come up in this study that as I proceed in going forward with my study? One of the research, these are some of the research gap I saw when I explored the literature. We have user experiences of AI tools in engineering domain, lack of empirical studies in engineering. Some of the study I came across, they lack theoretical background. I'm trying to develop a framework and also carry out an empirical study on how AI is being integrated into learning in engineering domain. So these are some of the research gap and the future need where I will be evaluating and developing a framework used to implement and using artificial intelligence. In conclusion, AI transform engineering education through personalized and efficiency. We can explore how AI can inspire a new generation of engineers. And that is it for my PhD Expert project. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on my email, vincentfakesi@uga.edu. Thank you and God bless you.